Namaste, good evening. Let us begin. Not feeling too well, but I didn't want to cancel the class today. So let's continue the verses for today. Sit straight, keep your back straight. Visualize Bhagavan Surya in front of your eyes. Setting sun god. Let us be grateful to Bhagavan Surya, who rises and sets every single day, blessing us with sun rays, sunshine, energy, and vitality for all the living beings. Bring your hands to Namaskara. Let us start with the invocation prayer. Gajananam bhutaganaadisevitam kapittajambu phalasarabhakshitam उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणम् नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपादपङ्कजम्. Let's take the blessings from Bhagavan Ganesha. Gently open your eyes. We'll proceed to the verses for today. Yesterday we stopped at 12. So today we are going to start 13, 14, and 15. Okay. So verse 13, again the qualities or attributes of sun god continues. So here, let's look at the first pada. Vyomana. Vyomanatas. Vyomanathas tamobhedi. Vyomanathas tamobhedi. So this is half ver. So we have to say vyo. Vyomanatha. This is Mahapranatha. Vyomanathas tamo bhedi. Tamo bhe Mahaprana. Di dirga. So you'll have to say bhedi. Vyomanathasta tamo thastamo bhedi. Second pada. This is r. This is swara vowel r. Rig yajus sama paragaha. Rig yajus sama paragaha. Third pada. Gana. Gana. This is Mahaprana gha. Gana vrishti. Vrishti rapam. Gana gana vrishti rapam mitro. Ghana vrishti rapam mitro. So sh is murdanya sh, so you have to roll your tongue. Ghana vrishti rapam mitro. This is the third pada. Fourth pada, vindhya. Vindhya vithi. Vindhya vithi. There is a half pa. So stress on this half pa. Vindhya vithi plavangamaha. Plavangamaha. Vindhya vithi plavangamaha. Ghana vrishti rapam mitro. Vindhya vithi Plavangamaha. So here, first, Vyomana. Vyoma means sky. Nata. Nata means the Lord. So Vyomanatha means he is the Lord of the sky. Tamo Bhedi. Tamo Guna, that is darkness. Tamas. So dispeller. He is the dispeller of darkness. Tamo Bhedi. So he is the Lord of the sky, dispeller of darkness. Then here the three Vedas are mentioned. Rig, Yajur and Sama. So it doesn't mean that the fourth Veda is not included. It means the sun god knows all the knowledge, all the Vedas. So it is said that Bhagwan Hanumanji learnt the entire wisdom of Vedas from Bhagwan Surya. So sun god, he is like having the entire knowledge of the Vedas. So here only a sample is given like Rig, Yaju, Sama. Sama Paragaha. He is the master of all the three Vedas. Ghana Vrishti. Ghana Vrishti means Ghana is like the dark clouds. Ghana Vrishti. He is the sender of the dark rain, the dark clouds from which rain falls. Then Apam Mitro. So yesterday we saw Apa means rain, the water. So Mitro, friend. He is the friend of water. Sun god. Because of sun god only we are able to experience rain. So Apam Mitro. Ghana Vrishti Rapam Mitro. When you join those words, it becomes Ghana Vrishti Rapam Mitro. Fourth pada, Vindhya Viti Plavangamaha. Viti means like a street. We say Vidi in Tamil. So Viti is like a long road. So he just goes swiftly in the path of the sky. Viti is like a path, walking path. So similarly, sun god just cruises along swiftly in the path of the sky. So that is the meaning. Let's go on to chanting. First pada. Vyomanatastamo bhedi. Vyomanatastamo bhedi. व्योमनाथस्तमो भेदी ऋग्यजुस्सामपारगः 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 गणवृष्टिरपां मित्रो गणवृष्टिरपां मित्रो गणवृष्टिरपां मित्रो विन्ध्यवीथिप्लवङ्गमः विन्ध्यवीथिप्लवङ्गमः विन्ध्यवीथिप्लवङ्गमः. So once you know the meaning, it's easy to chant, easy to follow the pada very, mindfully. First line, repeat after me. Vyomanatastamo bhedi ऋग्यजुस्सामपारगः व्योमनाथस्तमो भेदी ऋग्यजुस्सामपारगः व्योमनाथस्तमो भेदी ऋग्यजुस्सामपारगः. Second line. घनवृष्टिरपां मित्रो विन्ध्यवीथिप्लवङ्गमः घनवृष्टिरपां मित्रो विन्ध्यवीथिप्लवङ्गमः घनवृष्टिरपां मित्रो विन्ध्यवीथिप्लवङ्गमः. The entire verse 3 times all together. Vyomanatastamo bhedi ऋग्यजुस्सामपारगः घनवृष्टिरपां मित्रो विन्द्यभीतिप्लवङ्गमः व्योमनाथस्तमो भेदी ऋग्यजुस्सामपारगः घनवृष्टिरपां मित्रो विन्द्यवीथिप्लवङ्गमः व्योमनाथस्तमो भेदी ऋग्यजुस्सामपारगः घनवृष्टिरपां मित्रो विन्द्यवीथिप्लवङ्गमः. Moving on to verse 14. Atapi, Atapi Mandali, Atapi Mandali Mrityuhu, Mrityuhu, Atapi Mandali Mrityuhu. So here P is Dirgha, so extend. Mandali, Li is also Dirgha, extend. Mrityuhu, this is a Visarga, Mrityuhu. Atapi Mandali Mrityuhu. Pingalaha, Pingalaha. Sarvatapanaha, Sarvatapanaha. Don't say Sarva. Sometimes in our, especially when we are speaking in Hindi, we might not stress on this verb. So, Sarvatapanaha. So, as you can see, Visarga followed by Sa. So, you know what to do. Pingalas Sarvatapanaha. Pingalas Sarvatapanaha. Stress on this half R and this V. Sarva. Sarvatapanaha. Third pada. Kavir. There is a half R here. Kavir Vishvo. Kavir Vishvo Mahateja. Kavir Vishvo Mahateja. Kavir Vishvo Mahateja. This is the third pada. Fourth pada, Raktaha. Raktaha. There is a half k here, half k. The first k here. Raktaha. Sarva. Sarva again. Bhavot Bhavaha. This is Mahaprana Bha. Full Bha. Here it is half Bha followed by full the. So Sarva Bhavot Bhavaha. Bhavod Bhavaha. Sorry, half the followed by full Bha. So Sarva Bhavod Bhavaha. Okay, so here again Visarga rule applies. Raktas Sarva Bhavot Bhavaha. Okay, so again, as you can see, Tapa. Tapa means heat. So Atapi is the radiator of heat. Mandali. Mandala means a circle. So here we are talking about adorned with a circle of rays. So Surya always has a circle of rays around him. Mrityuhu, he is death himself. Because without Surya, you might have noticed when there is no sun, plants tend to wilt. Animals also don't feel good. So without sun, life is not possible. So he is death himself. So Mrityuhu. Pingalaha. Pingalaha means he has the shade of hue. The evening sky, you will see a shade of hue on the sky. Sarvatapanaha. He is tapa, again warmth. He gives warmth to everybody. Sarva, warmth to all. Kavihi. Kavihi means omniscient. He is there everywhere. Vishvo, all formed, perfectly formed. Mahateja. Teja means splendor. Mahateja means extraordinary splendor. Raktaha. Raktaha means one who is very compassionate, affectionate towards everybody. Sarva Bhavot Bhavaha. So he is like the enabler for all beings. So it's again making us remember how sun god plays such an important vital role in our lives, not just in our lives, in plants and animals. Without Surya, how would we get food to eat, right? So he is the enabler of all beings. Sarva Bhavot Bhavaha. Now let's chant. Atapi Mandali Mrityuhu. आतपी मण्डली मृत्युः आतपी मण्डली मृत्युः पिङ्गलः सर्वतापनः पिङ्गलः सर्वतापनः पिङ्गलः सर्वतापनः कविर्विश्वो महातेजा कविर्विश्वो महातेजा कविर्विश्वो महातेजा रक्तः सर्वभवोद्भवः रक्तः सर्वभवोद्भवः रक्तः सर्वभवोद्भवः. Now the first line, repeat after me. आतपी मण्डली मृत्युः पिङ्गलः सर्वतापनः आतपी मण्डली मृत्युः पिङ्गलः सर्वतापनः आतपी मण्डली मृत्युः पिङ्गलः सर्वतापनः कविर्विश्वो महातेजा रक्तः सर्वभवोद्भवः कविर्विश्वो महातेजा रक्तः सर्वभवोद्भवः कविर्विश्वो महातेजा रक्तः सर्वभवोद्भवः. The complete verse all together 3 times. आतपी मण्डली मृत्युः पिङ्गलः सर्वतापनः कविर्विश्वो महातेजा रक्तः सर्वभवोद्भवः आतपी मण्डली मृत्युः पिङ्गलः सर्वतापनः कविर्विश्वो महातेजा रक्तः सर्वभवोद्भवः आतपी मण्डली मृत्युः पिङ्गलः सर्वतापनः कविर्विश्वो महातेजा रक्तः सर्वभवोद्भवः. Okay, moving on to verse 15. Okay. Nakshatra. This is ksha. There is a k, first k and then ksha, the murdanya sha. So you'll have to roll your tongue. Nakshatra. Nakshatra. Graha. Graha. Taranam. Nakshatra graha taranam. So here we are going to break for the first pada, taranam. Nakshatra graha taranam. Graha taranam. The second pada, this is, we have stopped at taranam, im. Then this is a ma. So it means there is a here. So adhipo. Taranam, second pada starts with adipo. Adipo Vishva Bhavanaha. Adipo Vishva Bhavanaha. So you can look at English here. Nakshatra Graha Taranam. Break here. Adipo Vishva Bhavanaha. This is the second pada. Third pada. Tejasamapi. Tejasamapi. This is This is not, this is hrasvapi, so don't extend. Tejasamapi, tejasvi, V is dirgha. So this is tejasamapi, tejasvi. This is the third pada. Fourth pada, dwadasha. So there is a half the and a full v. So you can see here in English, dva, dvadasha, dvadashat, dvadashat manna. There is 2n here. So dvadashatman namostute. So you can, we are not breaking here. This is a complete fourth pada. Dvadashatman namostute. So when you are chanting, just a small, pause. Dvadashatman namostute. Okay. Namostute. So this is an avarga chinna. This is usually when words are joined and there is an a, the avarga chinna is included for breaking down into, when we are doing pada vicheda, when we are breaking down into individual words. But for chanting, you can ignore this avarga chinna. So it is namostute. Dvadashatman namostute. So here, namostute means salutations to you. Okay, you will see in many shlokas and stotras, namaste, namaha, namostute, and so on. So namostute, salutations to you. Who? Nakshatra, star. Graha, graha means planet. Nakshatra, stars. Taranam, taranam here is all those zodiac constellations, which are formed by stars. So Adipo. Adipo means he is the Adipati, controller. So he is the controller of stars, planets, constellations. Vishwa Bhavanaha. He is the creator of the whole Vishwa universe, whole world. Vishwa Bhavanaha. Tejasamapi Tejasvi. Tejasvi means we have seen many times. Splendid. Tejasamapi Tejasvi means he is the resplendent among the splendid, brightest among the brightest. So Tejasamapi Tejasvi. Fourth pada, Dvadashatman. Dvadashatman. Here we are talking about the sun god who appears in 12 forms. You can also say that, equate it to the 12 months in a year. That Dvadasha means 12. So we say Ekadasi is 11th day, Dwadasi is 12th day, right? So that Dvadasha. Dvadashat man namostute. So sun god is actually classified as 12 different Adityas in Vishnu Purana. So there are different manifestations of sun god. So it is said that there are 12 Adityas. Even Vishnu is considered as one among the 12 Adityas. So I am not very clear on how each Aditya is presented in the Vishnu Purana. I have not yet read the scripture yet, but sun god is not just one. He is in 12 different manifestations. So that is why Dwadasha is mentioned here. Let's go for chanting. First pada. Nakshatragrahataranam. 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 Adhipo Vishvabhavanaha. Adhipo Vishvabhavanaha. Adhipo Vishvabhavanaha. Tejasamapi Tejasvi. Tejasamapi Tejasvi. Tejasamapi Tejasvi. Dvadashatman namostute. द्वादशात्मन्नमोऽस्तु ते द्वादशात्मन्नमोऽस्तु ते. Now the first line. नक्षत्रग्रहताराणाम् अधिपो विश्वभावनः नक्षत्रग्रहताराणाम् अधिपो विश्वभावनः तेजसामपि तेजस्वी द्वादशात्मन्नमोऽस्तु ते तेजसामपि तेजस्वी द्वादशात्मन्नमोऽस्तु ते तेजसामपि तेजस्वी द्वादशात्मन्नमोऽस्तु ते. So once you get familiar with these verses, wherever we are breaking for the pada, you can skip it and chant the entire line in one go without taking a break. For example, here you can say Nakshatra Graha Taranam Vishwabhavanah. So that comes very easily once you practice more and more. Now let's chant the entire verse all together 3 times. नक्षत्रग्रहताराणाम् अधिपो विश्वभावनः तेजसामपि तेजस्वी द्वादशात्मन्नमोऽस्तु ते नक्षत्रग्रहताराणाम् अधिपो विश्वभावनः तेजसामपि तेजस्वी द्वादशात्मन्नमोऽस्तु ते नक्षत्रग्रहताराणाम् अधिपो विश्वभावनः तेजसामपि तेजस्वी द्वादशात्मन्नमोऽस्तु ते. Okay, so some time. So let's revise yesterday's 3 shlokas and then today's. We'll just go from verse 10 to 15 in one go all together. We'll chant slowly. Adityah savita suryah khagah pusha ghabhastiman suvarna sadrusho bhanuhu हिरण्यरेता दिवाकरः हरिदश्वः सहस्रार्चिः सप्तसप्तिर्मरीचिमान् तिमिरोन्मथनः शम्भुः त्वष्टा मार्ताण्ड अंशुमान् हिरण्यगर्भः शिशिरः तपनो भास्करो रविः अग्निगर्भोदितेः पुत्रः शङ्कः शिशिरनाशनः व्योमनाथस्तमो भेदी ऋग्यजुस्सामपारगः घनवृष्टिरपां मित्रो विन्ध्यवीथिप्लवङ्गमः आतपी मण्डली मृत्युः पिङ्गलः सर्वतापनः कविर्विश्वो महातेजा रक्तः सर्वभवोद्भवः नक्षत्रग्रहताराणाम् अधिपो विश्वभावनः तेजसामपि तेजस्वी द्वादशात्मन्नमोऽस्तु ते. Gently close your eyes. Sit comfortably back in straight line. Feel the vibrations of the chanting. Connect with Bhagwan Surya. Bring your hands to Namaskara. Let us conclude with the Loka Prarthana all together. ॐ स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु. Gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining today.